Hello students, how are you all? Hope good. Today we will continue with the same chapter, skeleton system and nervous system. In the earlier classes, we have already completed skeleton system and today we will start with nervous system. So what is nervous system? Nervous system controls all other body parts and sense organ. All the activities like walking, laughing, thinking, and learning are controlled by the nervous system. The three main parts of the nervous system are brain, spinal cord, and nerves. So, this is brain. The brain is like a master computer. It controls all the activities of our body. It is situated at the top of the spinal cord. The brain is very delicate and it is surrounded by a bony box called cranium inside the skull. The skull protects it from shocks and jerks. The three parts of brains are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. This is cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. It is called center of intelligence because it helps us remember things, understand meaning, and solve problems. It also controls our sense organs. This is cerebellum. It is a small part and lies under the cerebrum at the back of the head, as you can see in this diagram. It controls our muscle activity and help us balance our body during walking, running, cycling, etc. The green portion which you can see in this diagram is medulla oblongata or brain stem. It is lower portion of the brain. It joins brain to the spinal cord. Involuntary actions like heartbeat, breathing and sneezing are controlled by it. What do you mean by involuntary? The actions which we cannot control by ourselves is called involuntary action. Like heartbeat. Can we control our heartbeat? No. It is active even when we sleep. Now let us discuss what is spinal cord. It is a thin bundle of nerves that connects the brain to the other parts of the body. It starts from the back portion of the brain, that is from medulla oblongata, and continues down to the lower end of our backbone. It protects by the vertebral column. These are nerves. Our body has a network of nerves to carry message from brain to other parts of the body. There are total 3 types of nerves. They are sensory, motor and mixed nerve. Now let us see what is sensory and motor nerve. Sensory nerves, as you can see in this diagram, these nerves carries message from the sense organ, that is eyes, nose, tongue, ear and skin, to the brain and the spinal cord. Sensory nerve tells the spinal cord that flame is hot and so we will take off our hand from the flame. Motor nerves. The nerves carry message from the brain or the spinal cord to different parts, muscles or gland of the body. The spinal cord sends message through motor nerves to move hand. Mixed nerve. These nerves carry message to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. What are reflex action? A reflex action, as the name suggests, is a quick and autonomous response of the body to a stimulus controlled by the spinal cord. The reflex action allows fast reaction. These types of actions are not controlled by the brain. When we touch something hot, the sensory nerve in the finger carries a message of pain from the skin to the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends order to the hand to put it back through the motor nerve. So, what are sense organs? We already know the organs that connect us to the outside world are called sense organ, and there are total 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin, and they help us to see, smell, hear, taste and touch respectively. So let us study about eyes. Eyes are the sense organ of sight. We see various things with the help of our eyes, isn't it? Eyes are like round balls and are fitted into the socket of the skull. Eyebrows and eyelashes protect our eye from sweat and dirt. The front part of eye is protected by a transparent covering called cornea, as you can see in this diagram. The colored part of the eye is called the iris. The black spot in the center of the iris is called the pupil. Light enters the eye through pupil. The iris controls the size of the pupil. Behind the pupil is the lens that forms the image of the object we see on a screen called the retina. So in the retina, an image of an object is created, then only we can see an object. The nerve cells in retina send message to the brain through the optic nerves. The brain reads the message and enable us to see the object. Now, how to care for eyes? We need to wash our eyes daily with clean water. Do not read in very dim light and in moving vehicle. It strains your eyes. Do not watch TV or play computer game for a long time. Never rub your eyes with dirty hands or handkerchief. It may cause infection. This is internal structure of a nose. It helps us to smell various things. We breathe through our nose. Inside the nose, there are nerves ending that are sensitive to smell. They send messages to the brain. Our brain tells us about smell. Now, how to take care of nose? Keep your nostrils clean by blowing them gently. And do not use your fingers to clean the nose. It is a very dirty habit. Let us see ears. This is the internal structure of a ear. We have 2 ears, or you can say a pair of ears, one on each side of the head. These are the sense organ of hearing. We are able to hear various sounds with the help of our ears. The part of ear we see in the outer ear. It is like a funnel and collects sound waves and passes them into the eardrum. The eardrum starts vibrating like the skin of a tabla, which struck with sound waves. These vibrations pass into inner ear. Nerve cells in the inner ear send signal to the brain. The brain tells us about the sound. This is how we hear things. Now, how to take care of ears? Never put any pointed object in your ears. Clean your ears with an earbud. Do not listen to very loud music. It affects the eardrum. Next is tongue. Tongue is the sensitive organ of taste. There are four kinds of taste buds in different area of tongue. They help us taste sweet, sour, salt and bitter food item as you can see in the diagram. Now how to take care of tongue? Clean your tongue daily with a tongue cleaner and clean water. This is skin, the internal structure of a skin. Skin is the sense organ of touch. It covers the entire surface of our body and protects it against injuries and germs. It has nerve endings that help us feel heat, cold, and pain. Now, how to take care of skin? Bath daily with clean water and soap to clean dirt and dust. And apply antiseptic cream to any scratch or wound to prevent infections. This is all for now. Thank you.